Hi everyone, Evan Worth here, and one thing that comes up a lot is questions about Google Docs and how do you kind of use it well with Google Classroom. So I'm going to try to go through that right now for you guys to just quickly answer some questions about that. All right, so to come over here first, I'm just going to make a new window. Um, Remember, Classroom is at classroom.google.com. So if you just go there, it should show you all of your Google Classrooms. If you haven't made a classroom before, you're going to click right here to create your own class. But I'm going to assume that you already have one. Now, I'm going to go in here because I want to explain a few things. One thing that I learned this year is that it's a really good idea to make a template classroom. So usually whenever I'm making something new, I'm going to be putting it in here in my template classroom, and it actually doesn't have any students in here. Um, you can see that I actually don't add any students because this is the place where I build my resources and then I pull from this and add it to other classes. And maybe I'll get into that in another video. But so if I want to share a document, I'm just going to click right here. Now there's two different things. There's the stream and then there's classwork. The stream is really for notifications and posting other information, things that you're not going to grade. So that's what the stream is for. Classwork is for graded work. Now, because of our coronavirus days here, um, as of right now, we're not supposed to be doing any type of graded work, so I would keep everything on the stream. Um, so here's how we add a document to Google Classroom. So first thing, I'm going to share something with my class. So I'm just going to write a small note. I'm just going to say hello. And I just wrote like a quick document of like a message to students for this because I think that might be a good example of how people might be doing this. So I just wrote, hello everybody, please read my message below. Then you click on this attach button and it gives you a few different options. So if you have like a YouTube video, you can add that. Any type of file or like a link to a web page you can use. But my document's actually in Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Google Drive. And I made this document right here called Notice to Students. And I'm going to click on Add. And once I have it added, you have a few different options. So you can click this down arrow and you can schedule it to post at a later date, or you can post it right now, or you can just save it as a draft. I'm just going to post it because I'm in my template. And then you get a nice example of what it's going to look like. Um, so right here you can see I have my message and then I have my attached document. Now if I want to go into another Google Classroom, you can actually grab this assignment or this message actually and add it there. And I'll do that in my next video.